The digital era that the world has entered is presenting new challenges and solutions for everyday life, for business as well as for the state administration. In its development strategy, the Republic of Croatia has clearly defined the need to be a part of that world and has adopted the eGovernment initiative, the objective being to increase the effectiveness of the state administration and to reduce expenses, to improve the quality of public services and to provide incentives to the overall economic development of the country. The Croatian government has chosen Microsoft to be one of its strategic partners in the process of introducing modern internet technologies into the operations and activities of the state administration, as well as in the process of making digital services available to citizens, organizations and companies. The Croatian government has decided to transfer the entire business to internet, that is, to the use of internet. We estimate that the entire process will last 5 years. The project eGovernment Croatia unites common initiatives of the state, of interest groups and companies from the information and communication industry within the process of developing e-government solutions. One of these solutions is the eGovernment portal, a project whose aim is to develop and completely introduce the system, making it possible to prepare and to conduct the sessions of the government of the Republic of Croatia based on electronic documents and internet technologies.
Mi želimo proširiti cijeli taj sustav, kao što sam rekao, i na poslovanje građanina prema
Our intention is to widen this entire system to include transactions between citizens and state institutions, which will be gradually introduced until the most demanding phase has been reached, that is to say, financial operations between citizens and the state regarding tax payment and payment from the state treasury to beneficiaries. The real advantage of the project lies in the technological solution that is used by employees of the government and state administration bodies while preparing and organizing government sessions. The process of preparing, coordinating and conducting government sessions has been significantly shortened. Numerous communications and necessary opinions have become almost automatic. All possibilities and reminders have been incorporated into the operation of the system, which introduces supreme transparency, making every step in the working process and every employee contributing to the overall working result clearly recognizable. The first electronic government session was held on the 27th of December 2001. After logging into the system using smart cards, Croatian ministers were greeted by an extremely intuitive web interface on touch screens. The government uses technology that seems to be very simple and easy to use, even though its technological base includes sophisticated components representing the highest technological solutions of today. Microsoft leads the project, and a significant portion of the technology, that is solutions, has been developed on the basis of Microsoft technology. Also, it has always been my pleasure to work with top professionals from our local companies. The eGovernment portal project was entrusted to Microsoft Consulting Services, which succeeded in developing a solution based on open internet standards like XML in less than 3 months. A solution that takes full advantage of Microsoft.NET enterprise server technology. Microsoft leads the project. We have designed the major part of the solution based on Microsoft technology. In those cases where we considered some other technologies to be more appropriate, we did introduce them. We were very transparent in doing this. We took the best that could be found on the market of today. The objective of the hard work of the Microsoft team in Croatia and its partners is to develop a more efficient, simpler and faster solution both for state administration bodies and for the government of the Republic of Croatia to improve government transactions and provide better and wider access to public service. We think that we have introduced the most advanced solution so far because we included the entire preparation process. Bearing in mind that new technologies were somehow neglected in Croatia, it was our intention to give stronger support to the more extensive integration of new technologies into everyday work and operations, not only in government institutions, but also in companies, institutions and in all places where new technologies could be expected to increase efficiency, to provide better information, to facilitate faster processing, and to ensure enhanced contributions by all participants to business performance and effective results by every means possible.